Hello. My video assumes that you have the Tesla drive out of your glove compartment in your computer. There's one folder that it will show. I know mine's is showing another folder, but that's Windows 11, 10, yes. Okay, so we click on that folder and you have the three folders that are in there. And the one we're concerned about is the recent clips, because that's the 1 hour, as I call it, buffer folder. And that is moved into the save folder when you hit that little icon thingy. And I tried to get the GIF in there to point up to it, but anyway, going back to it, that's the 1 hour buffer that gets transferred. I believe it transfers 10 minutes of the files into the save folder. And here's an example of that. I'm going up a street in some city that I live in Southern California, and this, of course, is not a recording from the Tesla display, because I think the front view is not displayed, only the rear view and the right view. Well, maybe it is. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this little crappy video, and hope to see you again. Bye.